If this doesn't epitomize the highs and lows of racing, nothing will. Chance Hymas, that guy right there at Redbud, gets his first overall victory. Awesome job. That's super good. He's also penalized 5 championship points and 2 first positions for jumping on a red cross flag in Moto 1. Cannot find it anywhere. If somebody can tell me what happened, where it was, comment down below, timestamp or whatever for the race. I can't find it. And I think he didn't even know why he was penalized, but it is. It's the highs and lows of racing. It's perfect for him. And I think this is his rookie year. Tell me if I'm wrong about that. To get his first overall victory, to be competitive. I think at the moment he is 239 points behind Hayden Deegan, who has 276. So he is, well, what, 25, 27 points behind Deegan, and he's 6 points ahead of Tom Vial. He is ahead of guys who definitely should be ahead of him. Ahead of Vial, ahead of Shimoda, Kitchen, Pierce Brown, Swole, all those guys. For him, this is an awesome showing. To come out and be competitive, running up front, getting race wins, getting overall wins. This is a great start to his career. And especially for Honda to have a new young talent that's going to be here for a while, suppose, or probably. And I don't know. Like I said, comment down below if you tell me when he jumped on the red cross flag, if you were there, if you saw it, whatever it is, or if you have a timestamp for a replay or something. And I don't know, comment down below, tell me. Are you going to any of the remaining rounds? Are you going to the SMX playoffs? Do you think Deegan wins the 250s? Do you think Chase now with the lead wins the 450s? Whatever it is, comment down below. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe. Do all fun things platform allows you to do because it really does help me out and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see y'all later. Peace.